Good day, guys. Welcome back. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the day on GBPUSD. Make sure you subscribe, guys, if you are yet to subscribe. So just click on that subscribe button in order for you to miss something. When you take a look at our GBPUSD, you will see that we are on a downtrend move. This is our trend. Trend is on a downtrend move. Now let's see this here. This is the low. This is the lower high. This is the lower low. This here is the lower high. Markets will continue to push till it eventually form a new lower low. So that is exactly what you should be watching out for. For those of you that are a trader, I tell you guys that you should be a trader sell here. So if you are there, you should be about 100% profit. So we should be expecting a sell. That is what we'll be expecting. But what market is doing, market is likely to push up and then drop. If market does not push up, it will most likely drop. So whatever way, be looking for your sell setup either at this level or at this level. Watch out for your sell setup.